Hi, my name is George Takis, and I'm developing a series of bite-sized photography lessons. You may ask, what are bite-sized photography lessons? Well, I have found that there are many people out there who have cameras and just want to know how to take a good photograph that's properly exposed and sharp, and maybe with good composition. And these lessons are for those people, the ones that don't really want to get into the intricacies of the internal workings of a camera. They just want to know how to use the controls properly to get the kind of images that they want. I liken it much to driving a car. For example, you don't have to be an internal combustion engineer in order to be able to drive your car. All you need to know is how to start the car, how to use the controls to get from point A to point B. That's my objective in these bite-sized lessons. The facts only what you need to know in order to be able to get a good photograph that's sharp, properly exposed, and well composed. So, in order to take these lessons, though, you're going to need your manual because your controls on your camera are in different places than on my camera. This camera is the one that I may be showing you, but your manual will show you where the controls are on your camera. They have the same function and they're going to work the same way. Your camera will be different than this one, but I will show you how to use various things on this camera, how to use all of these controls and to use them properly to get good results. That's the whole purpose of this bite-sized photography lesson. You will need your manual for this. Now, there are a couple of things that are very important. One, you do need the manual. Two, you're going to have to practice. There's no way around it. You have to practice what these lessons show you. They're brief, they're to the point, and if you follow them, you will get good images. So please do follow these images, subscribe now, and make sure you get all the lessons that you need. You don't have to watch them in order necessarily. You may already know things that some of these lessons present, so skip those. But I suggest that you go through all of them. These lessons are meant for you who don't want to be bothered with the internal workings of the camera. You just want to be able to use everything that's available to you in order to take a good photograph. Just the facts. So I look forward to you taking these lessons. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on that button. Looking forward to seeing you in future lessons.